down street, not yet have I seen mankind rock a beat like me. Stomp my feet down parts you can't match. Energy, energetic, relic, and a freak. Weak rappers strut they shit on stage, but they can't get like me. E stands for ego killer with a deflator, 808 minimal heat. Walk down street, not yet have I seen mankind rock a beat like me. Stomp my feet down parts you can't match. Energy, energetic, relic, and a freak. Weak rappers strut they shit on stage, but they can't get like me. E stands for ego killer with a deflator, 808 minimal heat. Heater is the mouthpiece I beat the beat up with like a Southie. I'm undefeated when I'm in my element, so allow me to introduce myself to the lousy. Hello, whack motherfuckers, I'm the motherfucking man. I grab the microphone and put it down like it was burning in my palm. Ouchie, slouching in your seat when I'm bouncing to the beat, lounging in the creek with your feet in the cold water, cause it's hot like Pompeii lava when I partake on a journey of the brain. Search a main purpose to remain courage driven when I'm living like a legend, giving all the glory to the heavens when I came for it. Aim for it, not for the fame, though it comes when I flame through it. Memo it, holding poses, I'm a poet with a high standard, but I'm mob banner like Bruce Banner. But I turn green, turn mean when I serve purple can to the crowd, turn key to the beast locked in the cell when I let them out, yell like a preteen. Getting beat with a belt buckle like a bee sting to a young rebel with a level lower than the devil is a bass trap. Race has nothing to do with this face slap. Take that fake ass motherfuckers in the back, drowned. Me, stomp my feet down parts you can't match. Energy, energetic, relic, and a freak. Weak rappers strut they shit on stage, but they can't get like me. E stands for ego killer with a deflator, 808 minimal heat. Walk down street, not yet have I seen mankind rock a beat like me. Stomp my feet down parts you can't match. Energy, energetic, relic, and a freak. Weak rappers strut they shit on things, but they can't get like me. E stands for ego killer with a deflator, 808 minimal heat.
Auditioning on the sound stage, you leave a motherfucker like me outraged. Click on your link on no found page, put that bullshit. The workhouse gray slut, what up sus? Motherfuckers on the physical embodiment of other nigga, but the record live office in Palmdale, girl with a bomb deal, love a nigga. And your boys say, oh hell, a rubbing arm band, four farmhand, my niggas put assault rifles and guitar stands. We in a bar band, take a nar stand, put a symbolism in the musical milieu. Motherfuckers want the minds blown, I'm feel too. They doing all the old shit like I still knew you. Already moved on and I feel you, I feel you. Out for the nookie, out to the boopy. When niggas be rapping like they're trying to equate the dollar value of a mouth to the pussy. How to the book with my account to this pushy. I'm allowed them goodies with the galloping pussy. I sound so witty that the crown could have woody. Homie, I can make a crown from a cookie. My advance to your face, you get around for the loogies. Hellfire Club got the raw intel. Rap dudes, they say caught up in a spell. Lawless well, I kneel for the beats where your hometown heroes can't wrinkle the sheets. None of the niggas are ready to swab. We have been doing that espionage. Cause Beyonce said that Pepsi is God right before participating in the sex menage. Niggas weird. That's really weird. Let's go.
Motherfuckers better upload this, no Seagram's gin, but I'ma go blitz. Been screaming fuck your scene since Slayer did seasons in the abyss. Knee cheap in a Fuego Club, LA where I'm from, but the Bay got love. Flow steady like I'm rolling in a Chevy, gonna hit a pothole with a body in the trunk. I don't gotta get ghetto to settle a vendetta, all I gotta do is sit back. Cause you backpedal about how you said that you rap better, but look at what I did to a sick track. Track 6, subtract yourself for the mix, talk shit, then slap yourself. You're never gonna clap when your shit is on safe, when you're fucking with the rap game. Samuel L., jack of all trades, and I've been a renegade from the jump. And I believe in that I'm making it look easy when I kill it, but I steady beat them all to the punch. Giving up a pound of blood when I run and when I love, but they're saying that I speak really dark. They don't believe me when I tell them I knock at the mark of the beast, cause I'm a beast to these marks.
Walk down street, not yet have I seen mankind rock a beat like me. Stomp my feet down parts you can't match. Energy, energetic, relic, and a freak. Weak rappers strut they shit on stage, but they can't get like me. E stands for ego killer with a deflator, 808 minimal heat.
I beg forgiveness and hunt for favors. The saddest MC in 100 acres. Had bad day trends where I punched the neighbors. Gun potatoes, fun for ravers. Old as fuck like the Undertaker. I'm Bo Dallas, I'm so callous. Shirt so tight like Bo Clampett. Interns watch me fold pamphlets. It's training day, it's training day. Got a baroness, I need a lady J. Alright, yoke reviews and a rate buffets. I hate yoke too when I'm trying to say it's a had hella birthrights that are signed away. My term's long, conditions stay. Top 10 trapeze, gotta mention pink. Next have bars, a kitchen sinker. Call my website dog with missing links. Make the stiffest drinks and the best of men's. Tell my one homegirl with the breast of friends. And apologize for like 15 years. Actual rap name is MC Weird. I bet Pimp C freak Britney Spears. I ghostwrite Sunday gossip columns. Free clinics hand out rotten condoms. In you with folks make the top toboggans, cause it's all handmade from top to bottom. Hit you with a frying pan like not the mama. 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 Yeah.